We're going to compare these. So, right wheel forward. Aha, check this out. So what they've got for right wheel forward is in1 is high and in2 is low. However, when you come over here to move forward, they have in1 is low and in2 is high. So there is a bug in the code, and we're going to fix it. So we're going to have to go in and change this code, and let's make it work the way their test software works. So we're going to have to change in1 to high, in2 to low, in3 to high, in4 to low. And we're going to have to do probably the same thing throughout here. So we're going to change, for forward, we're going to change in1 to high, in2 to low, in3 to high, and in4 to low. For M back, we're going to change in1 to low, in2 to high, in3 to low, in4 to high. For going left, in1 is high, in2 is low, in3 is low, in4 is high. For right, in1 is low, in2 is high, in3 is high, in4 is low. And then for stop, we turn the enabled fact. Let's save that as a new program with a different name. We're going to call it infrared remote control car underscore revision 2. Now we are going to load infrared remote control car R2, our version of it. It's compiling and it's uploading, and we are done uploading. Alright, so now let's test it and see if it works. Okay, so I'm now going to press the up arrow, and there it goes.